court has asked the centre to file a copy of its policy document on vaccine procurement and pricing within 2 weeks and consider amending the vaccination policy to make it inclusive for rural areas. The court held that India is a union of states and centre needs to procure vaccines for the entire country. The court warned the centre to not file a mere affidavit saying that the situation is dynamic, though it refrained from passing any orders or enter the realm of policy making to hamper vaccine negotiations or India's welfare. The court noted that the visit of the External Affairs Minister to the US for negotiations showed that the centre was working seriously. Centre had assured the Supreme Court that it is confident of vaccinating all Indians above 18 years of age by December 2021 based on expected vaccine production data given by the 3 Indian vaccine manufacturers, namely the Serum Institute of India, Bharat Biotech and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. Appearing for the centre, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta argued that the Indian government is in talks with foreign vaccine manufacturers like Pfizer and others and may be able to vaccinate all eligible Indians even before December if imported vaccines start getting administered in India. Taking a dim view of reports of states and municipal corporations issuing global tenders to procure vaccines, the top court asked the centre if it had left all state governments to their own devices. The 3-judge bench led by Justice Chandrachud noted that with budgets larger than many state governments, are Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation or other cash-rich municipal corporations expected to outbid poorer states by buying their share of vaccines as per the policy which leaves states to fend for themselves? The top court asked why centre was only making arrangements for logistics to vaccinate people over the age of 45, observing that the people between the ages of 18 and 45 are the most active age group, with most of them working and cannot be left without vaccines. With the second COVID wave continuing amidst an evolving pandemic, the court held that the distinction cannot be made on the basis of age or between centre and states when it comes to vaccine procurement. Questioning the rationale for dual policy of procurement of vaccines, the court asked on what basis was centre giving free vaccines only to people over 45 years of age. The court wondered that if the rationale for low vaccine price in central procurement was because it was being bought in bulk, and why wasn't the centre making it available to the states in the same price? So far, centre has been supplying vaccine for free for people over 45 years of age, while states have been asked to keep their own logistical arrangements to vaccinate 18 to 45-year-old age bracket. Amidst conflicting claims by manufacturers, the court has asked the centre to give a clear statement on uniform pricing of vaccines and clarify that why was it left to manufacturers to fix pricing when the union government could have fixed the price itself as per law. With 59 crore Indians aged between 18 and 44 suffering due to the second wave and 50% of vaccines being allocated to private hospitals, the court asked how such a large number of citizens will be able to afford private healthcare facilities.